Welcome to the land where folklore and reality mingle, where every stone whispers a tale. Welcome to Ireland. Here, the emerald landscapes are as vivid as the stories they inspire, the history as rich as the warmth of its people. This is a place where ancient castles stand testament to centuries gone by, and the rolling hills echo with the rhythm of traditional music. So come with me, as we set foot on this enchanting land. If you were to listen to Ireland's heartbeat, you'd hear the rhythm of music and dance. Let's embark on a journey through the vibrant music and dance scene that pulses in the very heart of Ireland. Our first stop is the lively city of Dublin, a place where the heartbeat of Ireland echoes through the narrow cobblestone streets, drawing us into the welcoming warmth of traditional Irish pubs. These pubs are the lifeblood of Irish culture, resonating with the sound of music and the rhythm of dance. As the sun dips below the horizon, these pubs come alive, their interiors bathed in the soft glow of antiquated lamps. The air is rich with the scent of hearty Irish fare, and the murmur of conversation is punctuated by the occasional burst of laughter. But above all, it's the music that captures our senses. Traditional Irish music, or trad as the locals call it, fills the air. The melodic lilt of the fiddle, the steady rhythm of the bodhrán drum, the haunting notes of the tin whistle. This is a sound that has been carried through the ages, a testament to Ireland's rich musical heritage. And then, as if moved by an invisible force, people start to dance. This is Irish dance in its purest form, unchoreographed and spontaneous. It's a dance of joy, of community, of letting go. It's a dance that tells the story of Ireland, a story of resilience and celebration. To truly understand this musical heritage, we turn to the masters. We meet with a local musician, a fiddle player with an infectious smile and hands that dance over the strings with practiced ease. He tells us about the importance of music in Irish life, how it's woven into the fabric of their history, their celebrations, their everyday life. In Ireland, he says, music is not just something we do, it's a part of who we are. It's in our blood, in our hearts. It's our way of expressing joy, sorrow, love, and life itself. And as we immerse ourselves in the rhythm of the music, in the swirl of the dance, we can't help but feel that pulse, the heartbeat of Ireland. In the rhythm of the Irish music and dance, you can feel the pulse of Ireland. Now let's journey through the landscapes that have earned Ireland the name, the Emerald Isle. As we venture into the heart of Ireland, we find ourselves on the Ring of Kerry, a circular route that winds through the lush landscapes of County Kerry. Imagine a place where verdant hills meet cobalt blue lakes, where winding roads lead you through charming villages and to ancient ruins. This is the Ring of Kerry, a path that takes you on a journey through time, inviting you to step into Ireland's past while being surrounded by its breathtaking beauty. We then turn our gaze towards the Wild Atlantic Way, a road that stretches over 2,000 kilometers along Ireland's rugged western coastline. Here, the Atlantic Ocean has sculpted the land into a spectacle of towering cliffs, secluded beaches, and vibrant coastal towns. It's a place where you can feel the raw power of nature, where the roar of the ocean and the call of the seabirds are the only sounds that break the tranquility. And then, there are the Cliffs of Moher. Rising over 700 feet from the sea, these majestic cliffs are a testament to the enduring strength of nature. Standing at the edge, looking out over the vast expanse of the Atlantic, one can't help but feel a sense of awe. These cliffs have stood as silent sentinels for millions of years, bearing witness to the passage of time and the ever-changing moods of the sea. These landscapes are not just beautiful, they are a part of Ireland's identity. They have been the muse of poets, the backdrop of legends, and the home of generations. They are places where you can find peace in solitude, feel the thrill of adventure, and discover the magic that has made Ireland a land of enchantment. In the silence of these landscapes, you can hear the whispers of Ireland's soul, the soul that sings in the wind, dances in the waves, and sleeps in the ancient stones, a soul that is as wild, as beautiful, and as enduring as the landscapes themselves. And as we journey through them, we become a part of their story, and they become a part of ours. Food and drink are the mirrors to a culture. Let's take a bite of Ireland. The Emerald Isle's culinary scene is as diverse and captivating as its landscapes, offering a taste of the country's rich heritage and the bounty of its land and sea. First, let's journey to Galway, a charming city nestled on the rugged west coast. Known for its vibrant food scene, Galway is particularly famous for its seafood. Picture this: freshly caught Atlantic salmon, tender mussels harvested from Galway Bay, and world-renowned Galway oysters. Each bite is a testament to Ireland's close connection to the sea, a harmony of flavors that encapsulates the freshness of the ocean. But the Irish culinary story isn't complete without mentioning the traditional Irish stew. This hearty dish, typically made with mutton, potatoes and onions, is a staple in Irish homes, especially during the colder months. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. The ingredients slowly simmered to perfection, creating a comforting blend that warms you from the inside out. Now, let's raise a glass to one of Ireland's most celebrated exports. It's whiskey. A visit to a local distillery is a must when exploring the Emerald Isle. Here, you can witness the age-old process of whiskey making, from the malting of the barley to the aging in oak casks. And of course, the tasting experience is the highlight. As you take a sip, let the smooth, rich flavors unfold on your palate. Each drop is a testament to the time-honored traditions and craftsmanship that go into every bottle. Whether it's the smoky peatiness of a Connemara whiskey, or the smooth, honeyed notes of a Middleton Very Rare, each sip is an invitation to savor the spirit of Ireland. And remember, as the Irish say, it's not just about drinking the whiskey. It's about understanding its character, its history, and the stories it has to tell. In the richness of Irish cuisine and whiskey, you can taste the spirit of Ireland. Beyond the music and landscapes, Ireland's heart lies in its rich history. As we journey through the verdant landscapes, we're drawn to the ancient stone structures that dot the countryside, each one holding centuries of stories within their walls. Take, for instance, the Rock of Cashel. This commanding fortress perched on a limestone outcrop was once the seat of the kings of Munster. Today it stands as a testament to Ireland's medieval past, its weathered stone walls whispering tales of power, faith, and intrigue. As we move through the ruins, the echoes of history surround us, the intricacies of the Celtic cross, the haunting beauty of the Round Tower, and the stark grandeur of the cathedral, all speak of a time when these stones were a vibrant hub of activity. But Ireland's history is not just confined to its castles and ruins, it's woven into the fabric of everyday life, in the tales told around firesides and the legends passed down through generations. Stories of mythical heroes, fierce warriors, and magical creatures abound, each one a thread in the rich tapestry of Irish folklore. Consider the tale of the Children of Lear, a haunting story of transformation and enduring love, or the legend of Cú Chulainn, the mighty warrior who defended Ulster with his incredible feats of strength. These stories, filled with larger-than-life characters and dramatic twists, are a captivating glimpse into Ireland's cultural psyche. As we delve into these tales, we begin to understand that history in Ireland isn't just about dates and events. It's a living, breathing entity, intertwined with the land and its people. It's in the lilt of the Irish language, the patterns of Celtic art, and the rhythm of traditional music. In the ancient ruins and castles you can touch the past of Ireland. But in its stories and traditions, you can feel its heartbeat. This is the legacy of Ireland, a legacy that continues to shape the country's vibrant identity today. Our journey through Ireland may be coming to an end, but the memories we've made will forever remain. As we bid farewell to the Emerald Isle, let's take a moment to revisit the magical journey we've embarked on. We've felt the heartbeat of Ireland in the lively pubs of Dublin, where music and dance are the lifeblood of this enchanting land. We've experienced the mesmerizing beauty of the Irish landscapes, from the majestic Cliffs of Moher to the untamed beauty of the wild Atlantic Way. Our taste buds have been tantalized by the authentic flavors of Ireland. In every bite of the hearty Irish stew, in every sip of the smooth whiskey, we've savored stories of the land and sea. We've traversed the ruins and castles, whispering tales of kings, warriors, and poets, each stone etched with Ireland's rich history. This journey has been an exploration of not just places, but of the soul of Ireland itself. Each corner of this land, each face we've met, every note of music that's filled the air, has been an integral part of our Irish adventure. And so, we say goodbye to the rolling green hills, the ancient castles, and the warm-hearted people of Ireland. We carry with us not just memories, but a piece of the Emerald Isle that has found a home in our hearts. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting journey. Until next time, when we embark on another adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and share the magic of Ireland.